How to fix login error in Just Eat application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and simply tap on your Wi-Fi to connect to a secure network. And by doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if there's still any problem with the login, simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General and click on iPhone Storage. After that, you want to scroll down again and navigate yourself to the Just Eat application. Click on Show All. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply click on Reinstall App. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its document and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there is any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.